Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Infinity Nikki Mobile not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are going to be a few things you can do here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you can do here is to basically make sure to have the latest update installed in your mobile device. So go ahead and open up Google Play Store here. And from here, you want to search for Infinity Nikki. And in this case, go ahead and open it up. Now, if you do see the update button, go ahead and click on it and just wait for the update to complete. Now, once the update is complete, go ahead and play the game or start playing the game. And from then on, you can go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of those or not, and that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing you can do here is you want to check the permissions for Infinity Nikki here. So, look for Infinity Nikki, press and hold on it. And from here, you want to click on the eye icon. Now, in the eye icon here, you want to scroll down a bit here. You want to go to app permissions. And from here, what we need to do is you need to make sure to allow all necessary permissions here. So, for example, you allow notifications, photos, and videos here. So, in this case, just allow every permission so you can see here. But once you've allowed that, go ahead and close the settings or app info section here. Open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you can do here as well is to basically clear your cache. So again, press and hold on Infinity Nikki. Open up the eye or click on the eye icon. Click on clear data at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, click on clear cache and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and restart your mobile device and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.